So, want to work remotely? Well, Upshift is there for you. Upshift, as they say, they connect people with businesses in need of extra staff. And it's all happening remotely. Now, there are two sections. For people, that's where we come in. And of course, for businesses, that's where our customers or clients come in. Of course, we're going to look for work. But today I'm going to show you something that works in the States and something that can work anywhere. So first of all, you got to connect to a website, which is this one, upshift.work. And right away I can tell you that this is a very popular website. It has 200,000 total visits each month, so that is a cool thing. And of course, it can get us some work, okay? Because here's what's happening today. A lot of people want to outsource certain things and they want to cut down on the costs, on production costs. So they will just hire someone remotely so they don't have to pay for him to sit in the office to do the work like that, They will just hire someone when they need them, okay? So they don't want to hire like for a full time. So if you want to work with upshift.work, click on this one, looking to work. Then of course, you will just apply now and just see this. Pick up shifts, work when you want, and get paid daily. So it's a per shift work. You don't have to go full time. This is good for a side hustle or some side income for you. Upshift redefines how people find flexible work, and this is good for everyone involved. But the drawback of this one is that you can't work unless you are 18 years of old. But you have a lot of these things. So you have hotels, food service, catering events, you have some warehouse, manufacturing, pickers, packers, whatever you want, and you just have to complete these 4 easy steps. Okay, so complete your Upshift application, you'll get access to local jobs, get paid weekly and enjoy work benefits, and of course, build your reputation on the platform. Because here's what happens, okay? You're going to get your profile on the website, and all of these other businesses can see your profile. They can see your stars, your rating, and the better rating you have, the more of these jobs you will be available for. And that's a good thing, okay? But let's just start with this. Go to the website, click on the apply now, and this is going to consist of some simple information about you. And of course, it will be like some certain of a personality test, but don't be afraid. It's a simple personality test. It's like, I'm going to show you all. So 1-2 minutes, and then which is going to be quick personality test. So click on the get started. Now, as I've told you, are you 18 years of older? That's a shame that it can be like less than that, but if you are 18 years, click on the yes, click on the okay, and of course, do you have a smartphone? Now, I know everybody has a smartphone, right? But this is really important, okay? Because all of the notifications, all of like emails, all of call to actions, all of the jobs are gonna be available remotely, okay? So you gotta have your smartphone and you gotta check it constantly, okay? Because you're gonna get invitations, you're gonna get like interviews and such. So it is really important that you download the app as well, so you can just stay on track. After all, that's what they say on their website. So choose when and where you work, all from your smartphone. So just click on the yes button now and let's proceed. So have you ever completed an onboarding at one of our offices? So if you have ever just like met Upshift before, you know what to do. So probably a lot of you are going to click on the no button, and then do you consent to us contacting you once your application is complete? Now this goes without saying, okay? You have to consent to that. Otherwise, they're just going to ghost on you. You won't get any jobs. So click on the yes button once more. And now, which state do you live in? Now it comes to the problems. I mean, not for the people that live in the States, right? But if you are not from the United States, unfortunately, you can't proceed with this one. I'm going to show you later something that you can work out of the States. But with this one, you have shifts in your own area, okay? So you must specify which one of these states you live in, okay? So that's going to be the next step. Now, people try to like work around this one by going all the way down and clicking on the other, but it won't work. It just won't work, okay? You have to choose the state. So just choose your state and we go to the next step. Once you do that, now you just go with some simple information, first name, last name as well, and of course your contact number. Email address is of course going to be needed, and then that first step of the application, of Upshift application, is done. Okay, now you gotta find 5 to 10 minutes on your own, because you have Typeform survey because of this personality test. I'm going to show you and lead you through it. So continue to step 2. So you can see how this looks like. It's not like something like hard or something like, I don't know, uncomfortable. Most of these will be like completely disagree or like mostly agree, completely agree, you know. So how much do you agree with the following statement? I work well with almost anyone. So now, of course, you will just choose what you feel, and then you will just proceed to the next ones. If I don't like how I feel about a coworker, I'll tell them or the others. So you just go with this one and you just complete all of these. But some of these are trick questions, so just make sure you just read them. Now, this is going to take like, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes at most, so just do your best. This is a simple personality test, and they will just decide if they call you or not. Now, this is something which is like voluntary self-identification. Now, you can just choose to use this or not. You can choose your race or all of those things. You can, of course, decline to disclose because you can't like disclose as a cat person or something like that. And, of course, the application is gonna be submitted. Congratulations, you have been approved to join Upshift. The final step is to complete an onboarding document check session in one of our offices in order to start making extra money with Upshift. So you will just have to check your email or phone number to find the onboarding invitation and book your session. So what's going to happen now? They will contact you via email or your phone, and you will just make an interview with them, okay? They will call you into one of their offices. Don't be afraid of it. Just go and speak to the person that's going to be there, you know? And then you will tell them which one of those jobs you are interested in, which one you don't like, and of course, they will call you if they find a suitable job for you. But now, what can people do if they're not living in the United States? Well, there is a website which is totally remotely done, and it's called ClickWorkers. And with ClickWorkers, you train AI. Now, really, you train AI because a lot of AI models, a lot of AI tools were trained by humans. That's how they know things, you know? So you will be basically doing really simple tasks, and you will train ClickWorker in order to just train certain AI tool, because AI tools need a lot of data. So what you can do if you live in any world country out there, you can come to ClickWorkers, and then you can just click on Earn Money as a ClickWorker, which is in there. And then, as they say, you will make money from anywhere, anytime. Make a quick sign up here. On this website, there is not going to be any like personality test or something like that. You will just have to complete this simple information about yourself, and then you will go on and start to complete all of these jobs. And these are really simple. You can just do these if you have a computer at your own home, or you can just do it via smartphone. And it's a good website. Trust me, a lot of good reviews on Trustpilot. As you can see, it is really, really nicely rated. A lot of reviews, and it's got 4.5 out of 5, so you won't have any trouble with it. You will complete these micro tasks, which are really good. Sometimes they can be funny, and of course, once your work is finished and approved by the client, you can receive regular and secure payments with ease. As I've told you, your smartphone, desktop, laptop, whatever. If you want to make some money on the side, it won't be like thousands of dollars paycheck at the end of the month, but it will be some nice, great side hustle for you if you want to work. So it'll all depend on you. Do you want to do this or not? Ask yourself. I'll catch you.